Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can watch anime for free and legally, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to watch anime for free and legally, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, you will need to download a certain app, because on that app is where we will watch the animes for free and legally. So for that, you just need to go to your Play Store if you're on Android, or App Store if you're using an iPhone. And once you're on your App Store or Play Store, just go and search for this. And after searching, you will now be able to see this app. So on this app is where we will be able to watch anime for free and legally, so you can now download it. And by the way guys, if you have no idea about this app is called Crunchyroll. Crunchyroll is one of the biggest anime streaming platforms in the world. They have thousands of anime from classic shows to new releases available in HD. A lot of people don't know this, but Crunchyroll actually lets you watch anime for free. The only catch is that you'll see some ads while watching. But the episodes are full-length and official and you are guaranteed to be safe from malicious or viruses. So now that you've downloaded the app, you can now open it. And now that you've opened the app, you will now be directed to the login page where you can either log in or create your Crunchyroll account. In my case, I will create my account. So to create your account, you just need to put your email and the password that you want. And then you can now tap Create Account. And after that, you will now have your Crunchyroll account. Your account will be instantly logged in, and you will now have an access to the app. So after logging in, you'll now be able to see Crunchyroll's full library and collection of animes you can watch. So just find the anime you want to watch. You can browse by genre, trending shows, new releases, or just use the search bar if you already know what you want to watch. And once you've found the anime that you like, just tap it to open and then you will now be able to see the anime episodes collection. So just tap the episode that you want and then you will now be able to watch that in full. And by the way guys, if you're having a hard time finding your favorite anime in the library, you can just use the search bar and search for the name of the anime, and then you will be able to see and watch it. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.